Hey everybody, and welcome back to our homeschool channel. This is Katie and Mommy, and right now we are going to work on some
math.
So what we use is not that notebook, is another one with a dog, is Math for a Living Education by Angela O'Dell, and we really like it. Right now we are finishing up on level 1. We're almost done with that. And we're going to move on to level 2 shortly. So we like it, so we're continuing to use it. So right now, Katie is going to work on this. This is starting off with Place Value Village.
Place Value Village.
For 100.
Pencil check.
Okay.
No pencil check.
Okay, we don't need to talk.
Yeah.
Use your place. We don't need to get it out, but for 100. So how many groups of 100 do you have for the number 100?
1.
Yes. How many groups of 10 do you have?
1.
No. If you have 100, how many groups of 10 do you have? How many groups in the tens do you have?
0.
Okay.
Oh, so 0.
Mm-hmm. And how many groups in the ones do you have?
0.
And what is that number?
100.
100.
I'm gonna write it.
Okay, hold on, let's see. We can go ahead and do some practice. They have different addition flashcards that come with the set, but we have so many sets of flashcards. So we go through and practice. So you just answer.
3 plus 3. 6.
Mm-hmm.
10.
8 plus 2 is 10.
7.
6 plus 1 is 7.
3 plus 1 is 4.
3 plus 1 is 4.
6 plus 10.
Yes, 6 plus 4 is 10.
5.
4 plus 1 is 5.
4 plus 4 is 8.
8. 4 plus 4 is 8.
7 plus 6. Did we already do that?
I don't know, did we? What is it?
7 plus 3. No, it doesn't. 10.
Yes, 7 plus 3 is 10.
10.
Yes, 5 plus 5 is 10.
4.
2 plus 2 is 4.
6.
6. 3 plus 3 is 6. So we're done with those. So soon, I think they'll be adding in more of the flashcards to practice, but so far, she's doing well with the ones that they have put in. So one of the nice things about this curriculum is it has a story as it goes along, and you follow along with the kids. Charlie and Charlotte is the little girl.
Charlotte.
And she is visiting her grandparents on their farm, and
They are learning, and we have to do the learning things.
yeah,
It's math basically.
They learn things in their everyday normal lives, and they use the math, and then we help them, they help us, and we all learn math together, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so if you want to read out loudly,
Okay.
don't scream, but loudly.
Okay.
Okay.
Grandpa, I'm getting better at casting.
Mm-hmm.
Look, I got my line way out. There. Charlie looked proud of himself, but he and Charlotte had first come to the farm. He couldn't get the fishing pole to cooperate at all. Now, with just a little help from Grandpa, he was catching at least one fish every time they went to the fishing hole. Every time they went to a fishing hole, you You are doing much better, Charlie. In fact,
You can put it down and just use it. Alright, you are doing much better.
You are doing much better, Charlie. In fact, you two may come to the fishing hole by yourself. From now on, if you would like, Grandpa scratched his head, then added, but you better wear life jackets to be on the safe side. Okay, the children nodded. Grandpa, how are fish born? How can a mommy fish have a baby fish when she is in the water? Charlotte had become extremely interested in baby animals since Grandpa had given them Anne and Andy. She was always wanting to know about every creature. Well, Charlotte, the surprised look on her face.
Wait, no, you skipped.
Oh, well, Charlotte, the mommy sorry, I skipped a line. Well, Charlotte, the mommy fish does have her babies in the water. Well, Charlotte, the mommy fish does have her babies in the water. When he saw the surprised look on her face, he added, they are not like chicken eggs, though. Actually, fish lay 100 of eggs at one time. The cluster of eggs stick together while the fish inside forms. Pretty soon, the fish hatch out of the egg and are able to swim around. The children looked at each other in amazement. Hundreds of eggs. Grandpa, how do you count hundreds of baby fish? How does the mommy fish know they are hers? Does she take care of them? Charlie had a lot of questions. Oh my goodness, one question at a time, Grandpa chuckled. First, after the mommy fish likes eggs, she really doesn't want to do anything.
No, she really doesn't do anything. It's not that she doesn't want to. She doesn't do anything.
Oh, I misunderstood.
That's okay.
She really doesn't do anything. Most kinds of fish just swim off and eggs are on their own. Second, you can count groups of 100 just like you do groups of 10. There are 3 groups of 100, so you count like this: 100, 200, 300. Remember, 100 is 10. Groups of 10.
So 100 is 10 groups of 10. Right?
Yeah, I'm going to try counting by 100s.
Okay.
100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900.
1,000.
1,000.
Good job. Alright, so now we are going to work on a bunch of the lessons. There are some things that are harder for her than others in this, but we tend to go through more than one lesson at a time. So we go through it a little faster than you're supposed to, than it's meant to be gone through, but it works well for us. So we're going to go work on that now. And thank you all for joining us today for math. And y'all have a great day. Come back and see us. Bye.